Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a new publication on Substack. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by visiting the Substack homepage. Once there, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and click on your account icon. When the menu appears, click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your account and content. On the Settings page, locate the section labeled Publications. Click on the option that says Create Another Publication. This marks the first step in launching your very own Substack newsletter. Before you move forward, think of a unique and memorable name for your publication. This name will also become part of your publication's URL. Once you've decided after that, click Continue to proceed. Next, Substack will ask if you'd like to import your mailing list. If you don't have one yet, no problem. You can skip this step and build your audience later. Following that, you'll be prompted to add subscribers. Again, this step is optional and can be revisited at any time as your publication grows. Before finalizing your setup, Substack will also invite you to recommend 5 other publications. Doing this helps foster community connections on the platform and increases your visibility among other writers and readers. Once all these steps are complete, you've successfully created your new publication on Substack. And that's it. So that is how you can create a new publication on Substack. So that's all for this video. Thanks.